Have you ever wondered how live video streams, online classes, or IPTV services send the same data to many users at the same time without wasting bandwidth? Today, I'll explain multicast forwarding in a simple and easy way using this diagram. Multicast forwarding is a networking method where one sender sends data once, and the network delivers it only to devices that requested it. Unlike unicast, where data is sent separately to each receiver, multicast is much more efficient because the data is shared. Let's understand this step by step using the image. On the left side, we have a sender. This sender could be a video server, live stream source, or online class broadcaster. Instead of sending data to individual devices, the sender sends data to a multicast group address, for example 239.1.1.1. This is step 1. The sender sends data to the multicast group. Next, the data reaches the routers in the network. This is step 2. The routers understand multicast and know which networks have receivers that are interested in this multicast group. Now comes the most important part. The routers forward the data only where there are receivers. If no devices join the multicast group, the data is not forwarded there. This is step 3. Data is forwarded only where there are receivers. On the right side of the diagram, we see multiple receivers. These receivers have joined the multicast group 239.1.1.1. Because they joined the group, they receive the same data stream at the same time. This makes multicast forwarding very efficient. Here's a real-life example. Example 1, live video streaming. A live event sends one video stream to a multicast group. Hundreds or thousands of viewers receive the same stream without the server sending separate copies. Example 2, online classes or webinars. The teacher sends audio and video once, and all students who join the multicast group receive it. Example 3, IPTV services. TV channels are sent using multicast, so only users watching that channel receive the data. Multicast forwarding reduces bandwidth usage, improves performance, and scales very well for large networks. To summarize, multicast forwarding allows one sender to efficiently send data to multiple receivers using multicast group addresses, and routers ensure data is delivered only where it's needed. And that's multicast forwarding explained in a simple way. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what networking topic you want next.